This is question number 5. By the following table, you have to find this score. Here, player A, B, and C is downside. Game 1, 2, 3, 4. Score of A, B, and C is given. These are the questions of question number 5. Find the mean to determine A average number of points scored per game. Now, A average number of points scored per game is equal to total points scored by A in 4 games upon total number of games. So, we will add here all the means all score of 8 and divided by 4 because total games are 4. So, we have added here 14, 16, 10 and 10. So, total is 50 and 50 divided by 4, our answer is 12.5. Now in second part you can see to find the mean number of points per games for C, would you divide the total point by 3 or 4? In C, in the table you can see third game did not play. So here to find the mean of point per game of C, we will divide total number of points by 3 because C played only 3 games. One game he has not played. Now third question, B played in all the 4 games. How would you find the mean? So in all the 4 games he has played, so we will add all the score of total 4 games and divide it by 4. So 0, 8, 6, 4 and divided by 4. It is 18 divided by 4. Our answer is 4.5. Now in question number 4, who is the best performer? So we know average score of A we have find it is 12.5, average score of B it is 4.5. Then we will find average score of C also. Now we will find average score of C, it is 10.67 points. Now this is question number 6. The mark obtained out of 100 by a group of students in a science test are 85, 76, 90, 85, 39, 45, 56, 95, 81 and 75. Here we have to write the highest and lowest marks. So you can see highest marks in this is 95 and lowest marks is 39. And for finding the range we have to, in second part we have to find range, then we will subtract highest marks minus lowest marks, then we will get 56. And in third part we have to find mean of the marks, then we will add all the marks and divide it by 10 because there are total 10 students, and when we add all the numbers we will get 730 and total students is 10, so our answer will be 73. Now in question number 7, this is the enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years was as follows. Find the mean enrollment of the school for this period. So these enrollments we have to add and divide it by 6 because the formula is sum of all observation upon number of observations. So there are 6 observations and these observations we have to add, then what we get 12,348 divided by 6, this is 2058. This is the mean enrollment of the school. Now in question number 8 you can see the rainfall is given for the 7 days in a certain week. Monday 0.0, Tuesday 12.2, Wednesday 2.1, Thursday 0.0, Friday 20.5, Saturday 5.5 and Sunday 1.0. Find the range of the rainfall in the above data. Now you remember the formula of finding range is highest value minus lowest value. So here Friday 20.5, it is the highest, and Thursday or Monday we can say 0.0 is the lowest value. So we will subtract 20.5 by 0.0 and we will get 20.5 mm is the range. Now second question, find the mean rainfall for the week. So we will add all the rainfalls and divide it by 7 because there are 7 days in a week. So when we add we will get 41.3 and divided by 7, then our answer will be 5.9. On how many days was the rainfall less than mean rainfall? Now we have find the mean rainfall in second part, it is 5.9. Now we have to write on which days. So on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday. The average rainfall the rainfall is less than the average rainfall. Here by the table you can collect Monday को 0.0 which is less than mean, Wednesday 2.1 which is less than mean rainfall, Thursday 0.0 which is less than mean, Friday it is greater but Saturday it is less 5.1 and Sunday it is also less. Now question number 9, the height of 10 girls were measured in centimeter are as follows. These are the heights. Now what is the height of the tallest girl? So here you can see 151 is the height of the tallest girl. What is the height of the shortest girl? So 128 will be the height of the shortest girl. And what is the range of the data? So range of the data is 151 minus 128, highest value minus lowest value, tallest height minus shortest height, then we get 23. And what is the mean height of the girls? So we will add all the heights and then divide it by 10. So we will get 1414 divided by 10. So 141.4 centimeter is the mean height of the girls. Now how many girls have height more than mean height? So here you can see 5 girls have the height more than the mean height. 5 girls, which girls? 150 and 151, 149, 146 and 150, 151, 146, 149 and 143. These 5 girls have the heights more than the mean height that we have got 141.4.